Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to use Pixelate Trigger in Geometry Dash. So let's start with step number 1, which is open the level editor and navigate to the triggers section. So in here, you just have to find the Pixelate Trigger in the visual effects category. Next step is place the trigger and adjust the pixel size slider. So higher values create larger. So this is more obvious pixels. So you can set the duration for how long the effect should last. And next is set a target group ID for the objects that you want to pixelate. So you can pixelate specific objects or the entire screen. So it depends on you. Next up is play test your level to see the pixelate effect in action. So objects will appear blocky and pixelated when the trigger activates. And lastly is adjust the timing, intensity to perfect your pixelate effect. So you can use it for retro themed sections or dramatic visual transitions. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!